Amelia! First! You're first! I am here. Ooh. How's it going? How's it going? Oh, what else I got going on here? Nice. So that was technically a flip right there. So this account, I don't know why my wheel. Smokey Mo, let's go guys, let's go. So this count is payout ready. Cha cha cha. Hey Mo, what's going on? So yeah, so apparently I was on day 7 today, so this makes day 8, so then tomorrow and the next day I can flip. So I can just flip this account with micros and I can get a payout, so we good. Thank you guys, thank you guys. Alright, what else do I gotta trade here? So I just went to dinner with my stepdaughter and her boyfriend. It was great. We had I had a steak and cheese sub and a Moscow Mule. I just had one drink. Pine Hub. Let's see here. See my take profit trader. Let's see if I pull that up. See what I got going on in that. Alright, so I gotta flip some of these accounts. So let's do that. Pertinent chores. This is chore stuff. Alright, so I gotta flip this account. Alright, that account's flipped. I gotta flip this account too. Alright, that account's flipped. I think this one's already... I gotta check this one. I think that one's already on day 5. Let's see. 726. Nope, that one's gonna be flipped too. Damn. I want my account. Looks like I'm not gonna have these accounts until next week. Alright, that account's flipped. And this one I can work on. Alright. Dan, what's going on? Looking for 30s. That was a nice little trade there. I got a little nervous. Well, not nervous, but knowing this one's in payout, so I just took the 10 points. But yeah, nice little trade there. Holding up the VWAP. Newt! John! What's going on, guys? Late night stream for me. It's alright. I just got back from dinner, so I wanted to hop on. Just got done disking. Nice. Man, it's been raining. It's been raining for days. I think like 5 days in a row here, so. But I think after today it's supposed to start clearing out, so I hope. Nice push down here. Supper club? Yeah. Alright, pushing down. What has gold been doing tonight? Ooh, nice push up on gold, huh? Devin, I'm 1600 on this new eval on Top Step. Nice. Tonight? Or just in general? Just gave us 35s. Real smoky. It's 2 smokies. Yeah. Alright, nice little push up there. From 43. Oh, nice work, Devin. Good work, man. Yeah, get that XFA. Take Michael Patak's money. Does not need any more. For sure. Hey, nice, Smokey. Appreciate that. Take all the subs I can get. Oh, let's see. Trying to get 35s. We're in a pretty nice Harami here. So I guess we had a little gap down here. We filled the gap. Try to take a long here above this candle if we break this. But we could head lower too. We have 68.25. Want an eval? Take profit trader. Ooh, I gotta sneeze. Dean, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in, guys. On short notice. Got a buy order sitting up here at 68.50. If we break this Harami candle, see what happens. We could break to the low, the downside as well. If that's the case, I'll probably take a short here at 943, looking for a little elevator. Gold's looking interesting too. Hey Maida, thank you for the sub, appreciate it. Thanks for the support. I kind of like that rejection there off 43 for a buy up, but the market's a little slow. A little slow. Kind of digesting the big moves today, I guess. Boy, 340, that sucker really moved. There must have been some sort of headline. %50 retracement is the 31s. Trying to front run the 35s. I'm gonna take a stab long here. Just for a scalp. Stops break even. There we go. A little scalp there. Smokey, I've been trading like garbage lately. So bad. It's not that my trades are bad, it's just my over trading. I've been over trading like crazy. Like I'm up really nicely on my funded accounts and then I keep trading. And it's that emotional damage. What is that?
Emotional damage. You want some therapy? Emotional damage. You want some therapy?
Emotional damage. Yeah, I was going Alfred. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, I just got back from dinner and I decided to hop on for a few. I had to put in some work anyway. I had to. So I was on day 7 today, and then now this is day 8. So I just got this account to officially at Payout. So then now I can just flip for 2 days. So I had to do that, and then I had to flip some accounts here, and then I'm still working on this eval down here. We just took a little trade on. Yeah. Decided to hop on for a little bit. Cruise time team. Oh, nice, Dan. Driving to LA tomorrow. Nice. Yeah, that's going to be sweet, Dan. Congratulations on that. All right, pushing up here, 977s. Look at gold here again. Ooh. I can never get a good read on gold though. You never can. Never know where it's really going. That did look like a pretty nice short off that inside bar though. Those gaps down here. Feel like I'm a little late now, so I don't want to chase it. Oh, nice gold short there. Ace Mentorship, what's going on? I'm doing okay, man. Living day to day, bro. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're doing well. Hope your trading's doing well. Kathy, you new here? Awesome. Welcome. Thank you for the sub. Thank you for the support. Smash the like button on your way in, guys. That's the easiest way to support the channel. Second, well, I guess just being here is number one. Second, smashing the like button. Third best way is using my affiliate codes. Appreciate you. Appreciate all of you. Trading is great. I've built enough capital to go completely self-funded. Nice. Ace mentorship. That is the dream. For most. That is great. Congratulations. Kathy, you're new here. Do you trade? What do you trade? Do you trade prop firms? I'm assuming you trade futures. What instrument do you trade? Do you trade NQ? Do you trade ES? Oil, gold? Just curious. Welcome. I usually stream like 6 to 8 p.m. But tonight I hopped on at 8 p.m. or a little after. I had some plans tonight, so how's everyone else doing tonight? You guys green? Just hanging out, watching? Check out how the school run, not school run, actually I messed that up. The rule of 4, how did that do today? I don't think it did very well. Did not do well. Although wow. So, like we had our stop here down here at low at 41.020. Swept it by a tick. Wow. So usually I use a two tick stop. So might have gotten lucky on that. On the Dow. And then it did push up. Interesting. I was up 3K today, got demolished trying to trade the price action after FOMC. I lost. Oh! Sorry to hear that, Ace mentorship. Thank you, Amelia. Smashing that like button. Nasdaq pulling back here. Yes. Little rug pull there. Still up overall, but now nowhere near my daily target. Let's see, 951 here. So looking for the 35s. Yeah, Smokey could give you that 35s. Don't mess with me. It's looking like it wants to hit the 35s down here. Below the VWAP now. Oops, I'm in the wrong bracket. That would have been bad. That would have been guaranteed a loser there. Kind of makes you wonder if we're holding this trend line though. So far, I think we do. If we do break it, it's going to create a pretty good opportunity here. Just being patient, Smokey. Yeah, it's the biggest thing. It's the biggest thing about trading right now. A lot of waiting. Short some micros. Order filled, order filled, order filled. This is a break of that trend line. I like that. It's past my bedtime, guys. I'd like to see it hold below that trend line, but we'll see. There it goes. Come on, give me the loot. Alright, there's one off. There's your 35, Smokey. Alright, taking 2 off. The rest to break even there. Heck, we'll keep a runner on. Alright, took another one off. I'm leaving one on. It's a runner. I've been working on my personal indicator for the system I use. Can't say much about it, but it's been helping me find 40-60 point moves in which I normally scalp 10 to 20 points. I've been great things. Nice, Ace. 40-60 points on the NASDAQ. You do that every day, bro. Be rich. All right, pushing down here. Nice trade here. Up 20 points here on this trade. Wish I was full port with 5 minis, but that's okay. Hoping forward testing will show more results since as of now it's been in beta phase. I wish it would show up every day. I get maybe 1 or 2 signals every 3 days. Hey, Ace Mentorship, I mean, for that, I mean, less trading, you know, every 3 days is great. Damn, what a nice trade. Off that trend line break. Trailing my stop here. Nice little trade there with the micros. Yeah, this one's an eval, yeah, unfortunately. Yeah, all these accounts are evals because, but these ones are all passed. But you have to trade them for 5 days, so, for the evals, but you can just flip them. As long as you're under 50% consistency. But, I mean, these evals are kind of expensive because they're all in costs. 119 bucks, which is, you know, so there's no activation fees or anything, but 119 bucks all in, which isn't bad. But yeah, took it off right there. The 150K was, I will tell you, it's pretty sweet. You get daily payouts, and I've been slaying the daily payouts. You can see these daily payouts here. Ace Mentorship, I'll tell you how much it is, but yeah, I mean, just getting daily payouts like crazy with these accounts. But the 150K is not cheap, but it is, I'll tell you exactly. $252 for a 150K account. All in. I think I can still leverage my... Yeah, it's not bad, Ace Mentorship. If you use code PINE, Ace Mentorship, all caps. Little plug there. But yeah, use code PINE. Appreciate the support. If you guys want to take Profit Trader, get those daily payouts. Dan Emmons in the house. Yeah, thanks. That was a good call out, Smokey, for sure. It's a little scary. But I ended up taking it a little bit later than you. Ended up getting in on the break of this trend line here. Once we broke down below VWAP. That's when I ended up getting short there. I'm at 140 over 150. It's pretty good odds. Kega-san, what's going on? Cool, Smoke. Yeah, that's awesome. 150Ks, Dan. That's great. Good for you, man. You got Stock Tiger on one screen. Hey, appreciate the support, man. The King of the Asia session, Stock Tiger. For real. He's the one that inspired me to get on during this time when no one else is really on. So I wish I lived on the West Coast because it'd be a little bit earlier, but I mean 8-9 o'clock's not bad too. But Nice little push up there off the 30s. Yes, Ace Mentorship. So a 150K account, you would have to get over 4,500, and then anything over that, you can get a daily payout. 25Ks, anything over 1,500, get a daily payout. Most of my payouts that you see, Ace Mentorship, were from 25K accounts. Believe it or not. And then 50K is anything over 2,000, you get daily payouts. And really, Ace Mentorship, if you get over, so like 4,500, 150Ks, so it's a lot easier to put in the Pro Plus in the live account, because they end up putting you in the Pro Plus once you're like over 15K, end up putting you into Pro Plus total. So no consistency rules on the Pro account, 50% consistency on the evaluations. So yeah, no, on day one Ace Mentorship, I made 10 grand on a 25K account, and they liquidated me. So thanks, Ace Mentorship, appreciate it. No, you can send them. If you have the stones, you can send them on day one. All right, nice little bounce there off 925s. Get a little push up here. I risked 400 to trade around 680, 760. Nice. Set up calls for it. I can risk upwards of 3,000, 15,000. Nice. I'm just gonna do ones. Thanks, Smokey. Nice work, man. Hey, appreciate you. See you tomorrow. I will be back on tomorrow at some point. Just waiting for another setup here. Let me watch the see what we got going on gold here. Yeah, for sure. Daily payouts. So Ace Mentorship, like Take Profit Trader, is one of those ones that really feel like a true like a true, like a live account, like a personal account. It really does. Oof, kind of choppy price action there. Try for the break of the inside bar here. I'm gonna switch to micro gold. I'm trying to slow down a little bit. Trying to slow down a little bit. Oof, I got in a little late there. Damn it. Trailing my stop here. Alright, took about 50 bucks there on that trade. I got in a little late. Wanted to get in there 393, but oof, guess I just stayed in that bad boy. Little gold trade there. Back to the... Whoa! Heyo! What is going on? Is that any news? Let's see if there's a headline. No headline yet. We have a boner candle. So I was looking at these candles here, and I'm like, what am I gonna call these? I'm gonna call the bearish ones. Call these boner candles. What are we calling these? I was thinking dick down in the dirt candles, but I don't know. We got some action here. Try to scale in here. The micros. On a long. So we take the high of this wick here. I'm gonna get in for 2 contracts here. There we go. What is the high of that candle officially? 55. Really? Stop's going to break even here. Alright, there's one out. Just going to take the other one off there. Nice little trade there again. So trading the micros tonight. Oh man, my chat hasn't been working. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know why it freezes like that sometimes. Holy cow. Sorry, guys. I told the chat was frozen way back when Ace Mentorships was talking about daily payouts. Got you again, man. What's going on? Yes, Sherry, how's it going? Amelia, yes, NQ is moving. I was wondering why the chat wasn't saying anything when we had that big pop. Champagne and blood, Yochim, bull flagging on the 1. Trumpo boner candle. We sweep liquidity on the 15 and then drop. Trump schedules trade deal with highly respected country. Oh, that's interesting, Keegan. That's probably what it was. Who's playing poker? No one's playing poker, TCG. I'm working here. Can't you see I'm working here? Then Trump treated gold. Gold's moving now. Oh. Boner canner on gold now. Yeah, it must have been a Trump tweet. Yeah, for sure. up 384 on the this eval here on this My Funded Futures. I mean, My Funded Futures. Take Profit Trader eval. I was like, dang, he isn't even gonna mention the crazy IQ move. I know, everything was frozen. I was like, what the heck's going on? I was frozen in time there. Gold pumping now, $3,400 and 3402. 3402. Man, oil has been tanking. Oil's been tanking. It did make a bounce there though. 55s. Looking like a gold long there. Look at everything looking like a long. Oil, gold, NASDAQ. Get rid of that line. Wow. There goes the pump. Yeah, so they said something about a trade deal the other day, and then we ended up retracing that whole move. What was it? And there was this right here, right? And we ended up retracing it all back here on this move. Was well, that was the FOMC, right? Yeah, it was the FOMC. We are pumping. I don't really want to chase this. YM's probably pumping too, yep. Guess I should have left the runner on. All right, pumping up here, 20,100. I think about just pushing the button scaling in here, but I feel like I'm chasing. There it goes. Ooh, just rejected right off that 100 level, that psych level. 99.75. Getting a little aggressive here. I don't like that. Man, it's hot up in here. My room. It's hot. Alright, let's see if we can push up through that 100 level. Switch to the mini. Starting to get a little wiki whipping around here. 20,087. I'm gonna get out of this trade here. Taking too long. Lost a little bit. Interested in the large possible sell-off soon. Could be. I don't know. It's pumping pretty good, but yeah. I mean, every news candle like that lately has been faded eventually. Like either sold off or bought back up. Someone please put a sock in his mouth. Twitter fingers. Can we just have a moment of peace? Yeah. Last half hour I have the obscure pocket of time to think. Turning my eval red to green. Consolidating up here. I feel like it's gonna break that 100. It just feels like it, you know. Smokey's supposed to be gone. Back in short. We traced that entire move earlier last week. Why not? Yeah, right. You're short again. There's the pop through 100. Damn it. Oh well. I think what it was, I was trading the micros and I got nervous when I was trading the minis. Alright, pushing up still. Let's check out gold. What's gold doing now? Gold's trying to push down. Uncle Sam gets less. Just need one quick delta shift. Life is simple. So what food did you end up eating tonight? Steak and cheese sandwich. Actually, I want a bite of it right now. Be right back. No one else wanted pizza, so everyone wanted sandwiches. Short 20,000 from 114. Hold until morning. No, it's pretty good, Brandon. It's pretty good. Yeah, good call, prelim. What's going on? Previous day high up there. Yeah, it's not a bad call out. Where is that level? Just at pretty close. 33.75. I like it. I like it, prelim. You hate the pump. I think he's tweeting. I don't know. The tweets ruin your edge? Yeah, I'm not surprised. Oh, he truthed? He's on the truth thing? I don't have that. Maybe I should. But I believe you, Ace. I believe you. I go from 68 advantage to a negative 300,000. 300 million. All right, getting a little pullback here. Sean, while eating a steak and cheese sandwich, huh? And trading and streaming. What's going on, Sean? Living the life over here. All right, getting bought back up here. It was a little Tom Hugard trade right there. We buy up, you can get a nice trend going and then buy up just below prior bars low. Excuse me. See you later, Dan. Take it easy, man. Yeah, Sean, for sure. That hit the spot right there. Alright, no problem, Sean. I hit the gym today. I'm finally been able to do pushing now. So I tore my shoulder out really bad a couple months ago, so I'm finally back able to do some incline bench and stuff, which is nice. Yeah, it was so painful, man. God, that took me forever to heal. I never stopped going to the gym, but I couldn't do any pushes, anything over the head, nothing like that. I tried like doing the reverse grip like stuff with the dumbbells and stuff. It still like killed, so I couldn't do any of that stuff. No pull-ups, none of that stuff. But I feel like it's getting better, so getting a little stronger, which is good. All right, look for that push up. Just folded it straight there. Tighten my stop up just a little bit. I gotta stop slouching in my chair. Alright, love to see it break to the upside here. Off this inside bar. If not, then could spell disaster. Alright, now I'm getting paid properly. You short? Yeah, it's not really doing much right now. It's we'll see what happens. I feel like I'm just flipping a coin right now. It's kind of how I feel. Locked out till Friday now. Nice, Smokey. I have 2.5. Wow. Trade big size, huh? Gold is pushing. Shocking, I know. Gold is pushing. Sounds a little like the Mass Effect game. Six minis. $120 a point. Big time. Nice. Yeah, I'm not liking this trade. Get a little lucky there. Doubt it. Stop that on that one. You have a PhD in math, Ace mentorship, but we have nothing in common except trading. That's awesome. Long gold. Gold only goes up. You have a PhD in math, Prelim? Damn. Alright, well, I'm never doing math on the channel. Ever. I'm just gonna call it out and let you guys do it. I don't feel like it's too late to hop in short. I do think we take back some of this fair value gap down here. I think that's what you guys call that, right? See what happens. Oh, okay. Prelim. That's funny. Hey, DS, what's happening? Appreciate you. Thank you for this new sub. I must have missed it. Sorry about that. Alright, we are short now. We flipped the switch here. Don't like the fact that we left that wick up there. Up here. I think we do run that at some point. But yeah, DS, I gotta make a new playlist. I have 2 playlists. I gotta make a new one. So I have to use the copyright-free music and stuff, which kind of sucks, but... usually, Alan, 6 to 8. That's usually... This is actually later. I couldn't stream earlier today. I couldn't get on at 6 o'clock, so I hopped on as soon as I got back from dinner. Had to go to dinner with didn't have to, but went to dinner with my stepdaughter. So, but yeah, I started to hop on at around 8 o'clock tonight. But usually I stream from 6 to 8. The market reopen. That's when I usually hop on stream. And yeah, during the day I hop on randomly during New York session. I used to trade New York Open a lot, but I had some things happen recently in the personal life, so I've been slowly getting back into streaming. So yeah. I'm actually thinking about maybe trying a time before the market opens. I'm thinking about it. We'll see what happens, though. Oh, Alan, yeah. See, I can find. Let's see. Discord. Pine Tree Trader on X. Pine Tree Trader on TikTok. And so this is where I usually post most of my stuff. Here's the Discord here. If you guys want to join the Discord, it's free. Hey Keegan, you got your counts back? Awesome. Hey, Terry Trades in the house. What's going on, Terry? So there's a Discord link, Alan. It's free. Everything, it's all free. If you guys want to join me, find me on X. His X. You guys want to follow me on X? You also can find Terry Trades on X. Find Terry. Terry Trades on X. Give Terry a follow. There's Terry Trades X link right there. Yes, Terry is famous, guys. Give her a follow on YouTube and X. Right there. They added a new 100. Oh, really? You were in part of that, Keegan? Interesting. Looking for the elevator down here. Come on, keep pushing down here. Let's break the low of this inside bar. And keep pushing. Give me a nice win here. You hate when Delta squeezes like this. It can be their 20-point pump or dump. Yeah, for sure. I've been enjoying trading the micros tonight, I tell you that. It's a lot less stressful. There we go. There's a little flush there. Come on. Dump it. Micro's been great since Trump won, yeah, for sure. This is such a nice bull flag, but overnight highs means the opposite. Yeah, I can see the flag, definitely. Come on. Taking off some risk there. Or lowering my risk. Just can barely give me 10 points. Nice ace. Order filled, order filled. I gotta bring back the order filleds. Where's the preferences? Is it this one? No. Order notifications. You guys asked for it. If it actually comes up though.
Order filled.
Oh, there we go. We got it back. This is for Stock Tiger.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Yeah, this is for Stock Tiger. An honor. The king of the Asian session.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Alright, I'm fully out. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it tonight. That was fun. Put in a few hours tonight. Usually I stream 6 to 8 if you guys are just tuning in. But yeah, it's getting past my bedtime actually, so I'm getting a little loopy. But no, I really appreciate you guys hanging out. Use code PINE on pretty much all the prop firms. Apex 80% off, Bulenox 83% off. Use code PINE. Take Profit Trader, all caps. Use PINE, all caps. I mean, and yeah, My Funded Futures too, all caps. I mean, not all caps, just PINE. See, I'm losing my mind. All right, guys, I gotta go to bed. That's all there is to it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Time to go wind down for a little bit, so. Pretty nice trading tonight. I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, peace. Appreciate all of you. Smash the like button on your way out. Please, thank you. And trade safe the rest of the night. Alright.